Hello, today we're going to be learning about lesson 5.2, corresponding parts of congruent figures. The big idea is when figures are congruent, all corresponding parts, angles, segments, regions, and so on are congruent. Important theorems to know for this lesson is segment congruence theorem, angle congruence theorem, and corresponding parts in congruence figure. Segment congruence theorem is when two segments are congruent if and then only if they have the same length. Angle congruence theorem is when two angles are congruent if and then only if they have the same measure. Corresponding parts in congruent figures, which is also known as CPCF theorem, is if two figures are congruent, then any pair of corresponding parts are congruent. In example 1, you have the figure below, and it is given to us that CL equals AR. If CA equals 36 miles, then in this problem you need to find LR. So then you need to do CL plus LA equals what plus LA. Then you need to figure out what is equal to LR. And then LR equals what? So here's the answer. You're going to take CL, which is right here, and add it to LA to equal AR. CA is congruent to LR, and we know that because of our segment congruence theorem. LR equals 36, because if we go back, you can see that in the problem, it is given to you that CA equals 36 miles. So we know here that LR is also equal to 36 miles. In example 2, in the figure at the right, angle GOV plus angle ANK and bisector OS bisects angle GOV. If M angle GOV equals 12x minus 2 and M angle ANK equals 8x plus 34, you need to find M angle 1. So you would do M equals GOV, which is right here, and M angle ANK. 12, so then you would go back to the problem where it is given to you that 12x minus 2 equals 8x plus 34. So you're going to take 8x and subtract by both sides to get 4x. And then you're going to take 34 plus 2 to get 36. Then if you divide 4x by each side, you are going to, if you divide, 4 by each side, then you would get x equals 9.